Hello children, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to see the topic quick tips and word problems. We are going to see these two topics. Okay. Now everyone take your studio. Take pencil along with you. Yes. Get ready. We can go to the session. Listen here children. We are going to see quick tips. Okay. See the first sum. We are going to add the number 23 plus 10. Okay. We are going to add these two numbers. See what is the symbol they have given? Yes. Plus symbol. That means addition. So we are going to do the addition. We are going to add these two numbers. Okay. So see here. Ones, tens. So for these two numbers, for every numbers we will write ones place and tens place, isn't it? For the number 10 also you have to write ones place and tens place. Okay. Now what you have to do, see in ones place we have 0 and in this ones place we have 3. Okay. If you add this 3 plus 0, we will get the same number. Already we have seen in the last session, any number if you add with 0, we will get the same number. Okay. So here the number is 3. If you add the number 3 with 0, we will get the same number and you want to write 3. Okay. Now see here. In this number 23, how many tens we have? 2 tens we have. Yes. See in this number 10, how many tens we have, Kanna? Only 1 tens we have. Okay. So these tens place you want to add. Okay. So these tens place, first we added the ones place. Okay. Whenever we are doing the addition sums, first we want to start with the ones place. We want to add the numbers in ones place and then we want to move to the tens place. Okay. We have completed the ones place. Now we are doing the tens place. See here. In this number 10 we have only 1 tens and in this number 23 we have 2 tens. Now you want to just add these two numbers alone in tens place. Okay. So 2 plus 1, 3. So you want to write here 3. Okay. So this is ones place and this is tens place. So what is the answer we got? 33. Okay. So whenever you are adding 10 to any number, only which place will change? Only tens place alone will change. Okay, that you have to be careful. Okay, so whenever you are adding 10 to any number, which place will change? Only tens place. You want to add only 1 tens to that number. Okay, see we can see the one more sum. Now see children, we can see the second sum, the number 56 plus 10. Now I am going to add the number 10 to this number 56. Okay, what will be the answer? First you want to see the ones place. Okay, whenever you are adding two numbers, we want to see the ones place. First we want to add in ones place. See this. In this number, how many ones we have children? 6 ones. Yes, very good. We have 6 ones. And see in this number 10, how many ones we have? 0 tens. Okay, so 0 tens we have. So, what I say? Any number add with 0. Here we have 6. So, 6 plus 0, we will be getting 6. Okay, the same number you will be getting. So the number 6, if you add with 0, we will be getting 6. Okay, next, tens place you want to add. Okay, in the number 56, how many tens we have? Yes, very good, 5 tens. And in this number 10, how many tens we have children? 1 tens we have, yes. Now what you have to do, you want to add these two numbers which is in tens place. Okay. So what are the numbers are there in tens place? Those two numbers you want to add. So in this number we have 5 tens and in this number we have 1 tens. So you want to add this 5 plus 1. Okay, so 5 plus 1, what is the answer? 6. So what is the answer we got? 66. Okay, so 56 is the number they have given. We have added the number 10. Okay, so 56 plus 10, what is the answer we got? 66. Okay, which number changed? In which place the number changed? See, ones place we have the same number, but tens place alone we have added one more, isn't it? 6. So 5 plus 1, 6 we got. So we got the answer 66. Okay. Now see the next sum, children. See the third sum, 78 I have given. Okay, 78 plus 10. You want to add the number 10 with the number 78. What is the answer? Can you guess and tell me? First you want to add the ones place. Yes. So 8 plus 0, 8. Yes, very good. So the same number 8 we will be getting. And now tens place you want to add. So here we have 7 tens and here we have 1 tens. So you want to add these two. So 7 plus 1, 8. So what is the answer we got? 88. Okay. So whenever you are adding any number with the number 10, okay, you want to add only tens place. Ones place will remain same. Okay, ones place will remain same. See, for this sum also ones place remains same, and for the third sum also ones place remains same. Only tens place it has changed. See here 56, 5 is there. If you add 1 tens along with this, we will get 6. Okay, so 6 tens will be getting. So 6 ones, 6 tens. Okay, so same thing here also. So 78 plus 10 means if you add any number with the number 10, okay, ones place does not change. Ones place remains same. This 8 remains same. And which place it will change, ma? Only in tens place the change will occur. So here we have only 7 tens, and in this number we have 1 tens, and add 7 plus 1, 8. So 8 tens we will be getting. Okay, so 88 is the answer for this sum. Okay, everyone take Max Studio, ma. Take page number 50. See here. See the topic quick tips. Observe the following sets of numbers. Okay, we are going to see the following sets of numbers. And see here, I have showed no. See the first sum 23 plus 10. Okay. So 23 the number they have given. If you add the number 10 to this, okay, what is the answer you will be getting? First we want to add the ones place. Okay, so ones place it will remain same. Because see the number 3, if you add with the 0 means the same number we will be getting. In the last session I have explained whatever number, any number if you add with the 0, you will get the same number. Okay, like that here we have 3. 3 plus 0 means you will be getting 3 only. Now you will be adding tens place alone. Here 2 tens and here 1 tens. So 2 plus 1, 3 tens. Okay, so only tens place alone it will change. You will be adding one more. Plus 1 only you will be adding. Okay, if you add any number with the 10 means only in tens place you have to add 1. Okay, to that number you will be getting the answer like this. See the second sum 56 plus 10 equal to you will be getting only in ones place the same number you will be getting, and in tens place 5 plus 1 will be adding to the tens place. So 5 plus 1 6, 66. Okay, same thing for the third sum 78 plus 10 equal to 88. In this, see in each answer which place has changed. See, listen carefully. In each answer, which place has changed, Kana? Only tens place. So ones place remains same. See here. See in this question 23 and see the answer. Compare these two numbers. Okay, ones place remains same and only tens place has changed. So take the correct option, tens place. Okay, yes. Now see the activity 3.6. Okay, add the following sets of numbers. See, here also they have given the number 43 plus 10. Okay, if you add any number, if you add 43 plus 10 means in which place you want to add? So only tens place it will change. Okay, yes, in ones place what number we have? 3. So the same number 3 we will be getting. And in tens place alone we will be adding plus 1 to this number 4. So 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, that only we saw in quick tips. Here also see they have given the addition fact. Shall we see this addition fact? Yes. See they have given this number and you have to take and write like this. 43, 10. Okay, so first we add the ones place. So 3 plus 0, 3 only. Okay, any number if you add with 0, same number. So 3 plus 0, 3. 4 plus 1, 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. So after 4, 5. Okay, so 5 you want to write. Okay, so 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, 5. So you want to write the answer. So what is the answer we got? 53. So they have given the question 43 and we got the answer 53. Which place changed? See, ones place remains same here. Ones place here remains same, but only tens place has changed. Okay, so here 4 and here 5. If you add 1 tens to this, we will get 5 tens. Okay, so answer we got 53. Like that, the number 56 plus 10 they have given and we want to write in the addition fact 56 plus 10 and we'll be getting the answer 66. So same thing here, 29 plus 10, 29 and 10 you want to take and write, the answer will be getting 39. Okay, next we can see the, take page number 51. We are going to see the activity 3.7. Okay, we are going to see the word problem. Listen carefully. Hamna and Kamna are in the canteen. Hamna and Kamna are in the canteen. Hamna spent 56 rupees on snacks and 28 rupees on juice. So Hamna spent how many rupees on snacks? 56 rupees and 28 rupees on juice. Okay. Now, Kamna spent 28 rupees on snacks and 56 rupees on juice. Hamna spent how many rupees on snacks? 56 rupees on snacks. Okay. Kamna spent 28 rupees on snacks. Yes. How much Hamna spent on juice? 28 rupees she spent and Kamna spent 56 rupees on juice. Okay. See, in these two numbers, okay, only here for snacks and juice she spent. Kamna spent 28 rupees on snacks and 56 rupees on juice. Without adding, can you tell if both of them spend the same amount? See, think and tell whether we can, without adding, can you tell if both of them spend the same amount or not? Yes, we can tell because see here, the number interchanged here. See here, Hamna spent 56 rupees on snacks and 28 rupees on juice. Kamna also spent how many rupees? 28 rupees on snacks and 56 rupees on juice. So both the numbers are only interchanged. So they have spent same amount only. So can you tell if both of them spend the same amount? Yes, we can tell because both the Hamna and the Kamna, they have spent same amount only. Okay, we can verify the answer by adding. Okay, so see how Hamna spent 56 rupees on snacks and 28 rupees on juice. Okay, now you want to add. How you will add, ma? Yes, so 6 in the mind, 8 in the finger. You want to leave 8 fingers on your hand. Okay, after 6 you want to count and come. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so for 14, 4 you want to write and 1 carry over here. Now what you have to do? 1 in the mind, 5 in the finger. Okay, 1 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 will be coming. Again 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 8 is the answer. Okay, so how much total amount of money she spent? 84 rupees. Okay, so Hamna spent 84 rupees for both snacks and juice. Shall we add these two for Kamna? Yes, 28 rupees for snacks and 56 rupees for juice. So you have to add. Okay, so 8 in the mind, 6 in the finger. You want to leave 6 fingers on your hand. So after 8, count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so 14 is coming. You want to write 4 and carry over 1 here. In this box, you want to write carry over 1. Now 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3. Again, so here 3 is coming. 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. You want to leave 5 fingers. Okay, so 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 84. So both Hamna and Kamna spent same amount only. Okay. Okay, now see, if from this problem what we have learned, see, changing the order of numbers. From this problem what we have learned, see, underline these words. Changing the order of numbers while we add will not change the total. Okay, see here 56, 28 for Hamna and here for Kamna 28 and 56. So the order is changed. Okay, if the order is changed also, the answer will not change. The total will not change. Okay, so underline these words in your book. Okay. Now take page number 53. See the activity 3.8. Jagdeep and his friends went to a restaurant. They had a plate of fried rice costing 38 rupees, pani puri for 26 rupees and vada pav for 16 rupees. Help them find the total. So find the total means you want to add these three numbers. Okay. So addition means which symbol you want to use? Plus symbol. See, they have given fried rice. They itself have given fried rice 38 rupees. Pani puri 26 rupees. Vada pav 16 rupees. They have given. Just you want to do the addition only. Okay. Sit along with your parents and do this, children. Okay. This is a home fun for you. Sit along with your parents and do this. Okay. See the second sum also. Magna picked some flowers from her garden. Okay. She picked 32 yellow flowers, 21 purple flowers and 29 white flowers. So from her garden she picked 32 yellow flowers, 21 purple flowers and 29 white flowers. How many flowers has she picked in total? So total means you want to do the addition. Don't forget, total means plus symbol. You want to do the addition. Okay, so yellow flowers you want to take and write. Okay, so for the previous sum they itself have given the sums. Okay, for the second sum you want to take and write the numbers. So how many yellow flowers she picked? 32. So you want to take and write 32 here. Okay, and purple flowers. How many purple flowers? 21. You want to write here 21. And how many white flowers, Kana? 29. So 29 white flowers. Now you want to do the addition. Okay, sit along with your parents and complete this home fun. Okay, yes. Now it's the time for home fun. Take your companion book, page number 17. Now you have to do the home fun 3E. Okay, see, find the total. Carry over where needed. Okay, if you need means, see, in this box you want to put the carry over. Okay, so sit along with your parents and do these addition sums. Okay, after completing this home fun, upload in your Chrysalis home app. Okay, children, everyone completed your home fun. We can see in the next session. Bye.